So we basically have a bridge that is 140 meters long, and we have an angle of depression, right? Two different angle depressions here to a certain point, right, under the bridge. This one's going to be 41 degrees. This is 48 degrees. So we want to find out how high is the bridge above the river. So that's going to be this distance here. We're trying to figure this out. Okay, so what I can do is, right, I know that the entire length is 140, right? But if I call this from this point to this point x, and this point to this point y, right, I can make two separate equations here, right? Of course, let's call this missing value h. Okay. So using x and h, right? I know that for 41 degrees, this is our opposite and this is our adjacent. So tangent of 41 degrees, right? Tangent of 41 is equal to the opposite over adjacent. And for this case, it's the same thing except we're substituting the adjacent for y. So it's h over y. Okay, so we have this so far. Now let's isolate for x and y here. Okay, so if we do that, we just have to cross multiply these two and switch these two around, switch these two around. And I get that x is equal to h over tan of 41. And here I get y is equal to h over tan of 48. Now, if I add these two equations together, I get x plus y is equal to h over tan of 41 plus h over tan of 48. Now, the cool thing is this x plus y, we know this. X plus y is this entire length, which is 140. Okay, so now we have that 140 is equal to this, right? So then how do we isolate for h? Well, since there's both an h on top, I can factor out an h like this. Okay, so all I have to do is take, right, divide both sides by this and take h to be, right, 140 divided by this fraction. Okay, so it's going to be 140 divided by this, and that will give you approximately 68 meters.